Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Janelle and I upload new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Don't mind my background, I'm actually moving tomorrow, so we have my background wrapped in saran wrap. But in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my summer essentials. These are all of my must-haves this summer, and it is pretty much everything. I don't really have that many beauty related products. It's a lot of fashion pieces, accessories, things like that. So if you guys are interested in seeing some of my summer essentials, definitely please keep watching. But before you go anywhere, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday when I upload. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's at Janelle Mariss. I post a bunch of IGTV videos on there. Post with you guys. If you guys want to connect with me some more, check me out on there. Without any more rambling, let's jump into the video. Alright, so my first summer essential is actually this jacket here. It's a cute little cropped jacket from Misguided. It has a nice little fringe on the bottom. It's the perfect amount of oversized, but not too oversized. But I just love this for summer because for one, it's not too hot. So it's great to wear at night, summer evenings when the sun isn't beaming at you. I think the tone of it is just so cute and it goes with so many summer outfits. So this has been one of my favorites this summer. I guess since I started off with fashion favorites, I'll keep on with fashion favorites. My next summer essential is biker shorts. Did I just show them backwards? Yeah, I did. Now for the longest, I just wasn't into biker shorts. I don't know, I just thought they looked weird on me. I have squishy, bigger legs, so I just can't wear any kind of biker shorts. I needed some that would actually kind of cinch me in. And I feel these are perfect. These are actual workout material biker shorts. And the material is also really thick, so it's not see-through. You're not gonna see any lumps or anything on your legs. So I since these are thicker, I feel I'm able to wear them with shirts that aren't covering my butt, but I can also wear them with oversized tees, which is normally the way I like to wear them anyway. But I don't feel as uncomfortable wearing them with something not covering my butt because it's not see-through or anything. And these I actually got from Ross for literally $6. They're by the brand Athletic Collection. So if I find them, I'll do my best to leave them linked down below. I have them in a size small, and I basically just love wearing these with comfy tees, sneakers, and it's just the easiest summer outfit. It also goes good with outfits like this where you have a denim top. So there's just so many ways to style these for summer. They're so comfortable and perfect for when it's super hot out. And yeah, my next summer essential goes hand in hand with my biker shorts, and that's just oversized, comfy tees. So this one is by the brand Comfort Colors. I've mentioned this before. I got this literally from the Dollar Tree, and it's just the most comfy, oversized tee. I normally like to get my tees in a men's large. That way it goes over my butt and I can wear them with biker shorts and sneakers, and it's just such an easy, comfy summer outfit where you look cute and trendy, but you're just super comfortable. So yeah, any sort of oversized t-shirt I love wearing with my biker shorts. Those are definitely an essential. My next summer essential is any sort of espadrille. So these are my Superga espadrilles. They're kind of dirty because I wear them so much. But any sort of shoe with that espadrille detailing, or honestly too, any cute white sneakers like this, I just feel are so important for summer. What I love about these shoes in particular, the Superga espadrilles, is that they look great with jeans. They look great with dresses. They look great with skirts. You can wear them with so many different outfits, and I just feel it goes with any summer outfit no matter what. They're just so fitting, and like I mentioned, they're perfect with dresses, and I feel it's hard to find shoes that go with summer dresses, at least in my opinion. There's not many sneakers or comfy shoes that I feel go with summer dresses, but these are perfect. But these are absolutely perfect. I got mine from Nordstrom last year. I feel I get a ton of use out of these when it comes to spring and summertime. My next summer essential are my Kia sunnies. These are the Desi Perkin fade sunnies, and I got these last year too, and I just feel I love them for summer. For one, they're casual but sleek. I feel the shape of them is just very summery. They go with literally any summer outfit, and I got the ones with the black rim. That way again, I could wear it with any sort of outfit. I could wear it with gold or silver jewelry. They're like casual but classy. They definitely need to be clean right now, but I just love these. They're so cute. All right, my next summer essential is cute hair accessories. Like, I need cute accessories for summer. It's just a must. These hair clips, I actually got all of these from the Dollar Tree. Can you believe it? They were all only $1. But I just think these are so cute for pulling your hair back if it's hot out in the summer. Your hair just looks so much cuter if you have a cute scrunchie in it. Or if you wear it like in a top knot bun and you have like this cute little scrunchie on top. It just keeps it so summery, so fresh, so cute. And I'm just obsessed with both of these. And then as far as like hair clips go, these I got from Amazon, and then like I mentioned, these I got from Dollar Tree. But I love clips like these, like more statement clips for whenever I have my hair in waves like this. If I just want to like pull back one side, boom, you got a cute little statement summer clip. They're also great for like if you pull both of your hair back and you just put this cute little clip in the back. It just looks so cute and summery. On the topic of hair, my next summer essential is my bed head waver. It is a must. I use this so much. I feel like literally in every single one of my videos lately, my hair has been in like waves with this. And I love this especially for giving my hair that wet wave look. I'll like wave my hair with this, put some hairspray gel, and it just looks like beachy hair ready to go. But my favorite thing about this waver compared to like other wavers that I tried is that it gives you a really deep defined wave. So I find that whenever I wave my hair with this waver, my waves last way more longer. They look way more defined and pretty. This is also a great tool to use like on third, fourth day hair whenever you want to style your hair, but like it's kind of greasy at top, you can't curl it. If you just do like these beachy waves, add some mousse, it looks like your hair is just fine. You can go another couple days without a wash. That's what I have going on right now. Hopefully you guys can't tell. So my next summer essentials are gonna be a couple of body products. The next one is my Sephora Perfection Mist Airbrush Bronzer for the face and body. Now this I've actually had for years and I rediscovered it and I'm hooked. When I first got this, I was using it on the face. And you can use it on the face. I don't remember exactly how I felt about it, but recently I was using this like on my body and on my legs, and it literally gives your skin like an airbrush finish, but then it also is gonna tint your skin. Mine is in the shade light medium, and I'll show you guys on my hand real quick, like the tint that it gives, but so I'll spray it on my body and then just buff it out with this like big Morphe brush. And it also gives your skin like a pretty soft glow, but it will give some coverage to your skin, which is great. I'm obsessed with this, especially for the legs. I've always been super self-conscious about my legs because they bruise really easy. Like I just have terrible circulation in my legs. It's genetic. I get those veins too. So this just helps kind of conceal it a little bit more. Also even up the leg and give it like a really pretty bronze finish. I just love using this when I'm wearing like shorts or dresses or anything like that. Gives you that bronze finish, smooths it all out, and I want to say this was only like 14 bucks. My next summer essential was a new discovery, and it is the e.l.f. Retro Paradise Glow Up Body Oil. I did a full review on some of the pieces in this e.l.f. collection, but this body oil really stood out to me. It literally leaves your skin, I have some on now, I don't know if you could tell, but it just gives you this most beautiful golden bronzy glow. I'll show you guys on my hand here so you can see. Oh no, now I'm gonna have like super oily hands. But you see like the glow it gives? Oh, it's not doing it justice. It doesn't help that my hands are like super dry. When you see it just like popping on your shoulder, it's just so pretty. I'm so into glowy summer products, and like this is just perfect. I like actually layering these, so I'll like spray this first and then put this on top, and you just look like a bronze goddess. And what's great about this product was that it was only $12. So this next summer essential was an essential last year, and it's an essential again this year, and it is just my Equate Broad Spectrum SPF 50 Spray Sunscreen. And the reason that I got this was because of, I'm sure everybody does this now, but when Scott Barnes was on Tati's page and like he was doing a makeover, he was using like that Neutrogena spray sunscreen, and it gave this really pretty glisten to the body. So I picked this up And it's the Walmart version, but it still gives you the same effect. I'll spray it on my hand. When you layer all three of these, you just look like a glowing goddess. I'll spray some on my chest right now so you guys can see. Watch. I'll just like pat it in. But you see how it gives you that just like super glowy finish to the skin. And you can layer all of these together and just look super summery and cute. But what's great about this is that not only do you get that summer glow, but you're also gonna be protecting your skin with SPF 70, and we all know how important that is. So this is a must for me. Speaking of SPF, ooh, you can tell I use this all the time because it looks crusty, but another essential is my Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch SPF 70. I'm sorry how crusty this looks. But this is a must for me. For one, I live in Florida and like the sun here is like no other. Like it's already summer all year round in Florida pretty much. So then when it's summer, it's like ultra summer in Florida. And the sun can just get really crazy. So I like using this one. And what I love about this too is that it doesn't feel like slimy or sticky on the skin. It's a dry touch formula. So when you use this, especially being in Florida's humidity, it doesn't leave your skin like feeling sticky or greasy. It melts right in, and I just really recommend this as a good SPF that won't leave your skin feeling all gross and slimy. So my next summer essentials are just like cream, blushes, and highlight. So some of my favorite cream blushes are like my Makeup Revolution palette, but honestly any cream blush. I just find that whenever you use cream blushes, it just makes your skin look way more naturally flush and way more sun-kissed. So I definitely recommend checking out some cream blushes, trying them out. I like using them even on top of powders and underneath of them. I really also love the Maybelline Cheek Keys for summer. Those are summer essential for me too. And then for cream highlight, I have been absolutely obsessed with the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Beauty Wand. Is so beautiful and it leaves your skin just super glowy and beautiful for the summer. I like to just kind of like lightly dab it. Oop, I put too much. And then just like push it in. And it just gives such a healthy, like natural looking glow. It also looks really pretty on bare skin, but I just like how fresh and natural looking it leaves your skin. And then last but not least, I've talked about this a million times already, but I had to mention in this video as well because it truly is a summer essential for me. And it is my Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter in Tan 5. This to me is just like a tint for your skin. It has a soft glow to it, but not overly glowy. I like using this all over my face just to sheerly even it out. It's not a foundation, but it's not a highlighter. It's kind of like right in the middle, super lightweight. And it's great because since it is so lightweight, you can kind of use this as a foundation, but it'll let your skin breathe. It'll let your skin look more natural and summery. So I absolutely love this and definitely recommend it for the summertime. Alright you guys, so that wraps it up for my summer essentials. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found some things that maybe you want to try out this summer. Let me know in the comments down below what some of your summer essentials are. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Definitely don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday when I upload. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!